So now, it is time to put the headset and handlebars on. Okay? Let's go. Boom. Maybe you want a little higher. How about that? So this is the headset. We're gonna loosen it up a little bit. I should grab my there we go. That looks dope. I think we should put the handlebars on this first. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so what size shall this be? Go check out my gaming channel. Deadly Gamer 78341, and I have some pretty good content on there. I was just editing my latest video, and then the mail came. I went checked, grabbed these, hopped off the computer, and started making a new video. So, yep, that's just how it works, you know. That hurt. It's taking long to open. I think I got it. I like this way better than my old one, because this is on top instead of out here, so it's like easier to open because the handlebars aren't really in the way as much. So I like that a lot. Oh gosh, this is hard. All I gotta do is get like one on. It's gonna be so much easier. Dude, these black handlebars and this silver/chrome look so good together. The blue and chrome, I love it so much. It just looks so good. Oopsie. Sorry I didn't unbox the stem in this video. Now that I think about it, I should have done that. But I didn't think about it very well. Oh crap. I might have to move the scenery a little bit because okay, let's go down to the floor, guys. So I'm gonna pause this for a little till I get down. Okay, we're just gonna move it to my bed. I'm gonna do it like this. I wonder about that high. Ugh, too far. Ouch. That bike looks so dope. Okay, guys, I gotta grab another tool. I'm gonna see my vice grips. Well, do the trick. Let's use that. That's pretty tight. So now let's do the handlebars. Move it like this. This is probably very bad filming right now. I'm sorry, but it's the best I can do for now. Ah, crap. think about it, I should have put the stem on first. I thought it would have been a better idea to put the handlebars on the stem. Didn't do it, but no, it was pretty dumb. And it's not very straight either. Gotta put my tire on, tighten it up, and then straighten, and then line the headset up with the handlebar with the tire. Usually how I do it, and it works pretty well. So yeah, guys, that'll be it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will be back with some more content. And yeah, so have a great day.